Those are older.
Dover Impulses, probably 90s. DMCs. There's one across on this side as well.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, here's this one. Nice little cabin here.
Floor for y'all.
Yep, we can all. We have four. Room for me? Yep. I'm just gonna slide in, sorry.
Floor.
Okay. Third floor? Four. Okay, good.
Everybody's
What
going.
are we on?
Four. Four? Everyone says. Hey,
We can see
good guy.
this from four if there's a window. That's
Oh, yeah.
Last in, first out.
Thank you, guys.
Have a good one.
Thank you. Let's see. Is there a window with a view of
Look at the lantern, how it's mounted. It's like half on the door frame, half off it. That's a little far. Oh, why not? Looks like, oh, they definitely replaced these fire alarms. This probably used to be Simplex light plates. Oh yeah, this actually looks like a nice little view out here.
This is the only spot where you can kind of see. Otherwise, you have to go like that office building over there if you want to see around this.
Yeah.
That one had a good view from it, actually. Kind of. They put up a bunch of tall trees.
Nice enough though. All right. There's the stairs, typical hotel stairs. All right. Oh yeah. Very different though from your office building stairs.
There's a cabinet in the elevator and by the...
Yeah, I noticed that.
That's odd for a Dover.
Yeah.
I've seen it before, but it's not common.
Yeah, me too. I noticed that. Here's our elevators. It's funny how they mounted the lanterns there.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. You want to hit the button?
Sure.
Typical squeaky Dover door operator.
I wonder what that takes, actually.
Looks like just a typical Dover key.
Dover?
I don't know why they need to cover up the key switches.
Yeah, kind of doesn't make sense. Alright, here we are.
Just your basic Dover impulse, as Diesel Ducey would say.
Alright.
Anyway, that's all. Once it closes,